All right, this is the first of two little short polynomial and geometry videos that I'm going to run through today. Just looking at some applications and solving some perimeter and area questions that involve polynomials. Okay, so here we have a square, and what I want to do now is I want to find the perimeter of this square. So what is the perimeter of this square? Well, if we recall, perimeter is going to be the distance around this square, all the way around the outside. These little hash marks or tick marks that we see on each side mean that all of those measurements are exactly the same. So if this side here is 3x plus 4, this side is 3x plus 4. This side down here is 3x plus 4. And this side is 3x plus 4. So that's a quick way of saying that all four of these sides are exactly the same. So what is our perimeter? Perimeter, the distance around. Let's add all of these together. So I'm going to get 3x plus 4, 4 times. So plus 3x plus 4 plus 3x plus 4, and I'm going to have to squeeze one in here, plus 3x plus 4. Just made it. Okay, so that becomes our perimeter. I'm going to show you another way just right away. But now I add up this, and when we add, we combine like terms. So for this particular question, my perimeter now, I'm going to get all my x values. So I got x, 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 x. I'm going to take all of those like terms, same variable, same exponent. I'm going to add them all together. So I have 3x, 6, 9. I have 12 x's. Now I'm going to take all of my constants. There's plus 4, plus 4, plus 4, plus 4. So I have all of those constants, put them all together, and I get plus 16. So that is the perimeter of our square. There's our square. Now there is a quicker way. Some of you may have been picked up on this based on some work that we have done before. And if we look at this, slide that up. If we look at these terms, we have 3x plus 4. We have 3x plus 4, 3x plus 4, 3x plus 4. I have that 4 times. So I could have thought of this perimeter as 3x plus 4 4 times. And we could have treated this like multiplication. Let's slide this up. Let's see if we get the same thing. So when I multiply, I'm going to distribute this through. And I get 4 times 3x, which is like 4 times 3 times x. And then I'm going to add on because of this, 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. So let's just look at this first part. I'm going to multiply the numbers. I have my variable, and I have the plus 16, which is exactly the same as what we had up here. So either way, think of it like multiplying, or think of it like adding all of our numbers together. Either way, you're going to get to the same perimeter. Let's try a different shape. Here we have a triangle. Now once again, you can see we have these little tick marks, one on this side, one on this side. That means that those two sides, here and here, are exactly the same length. This would be an isosceles triangle. We're not naming it. We just, once again, want to find the perimeter of our triangle. What is the perimeter? Well, perimeter all the way around. So I'm going to take, not that, I'm going to take this side plus this side plus this side. I'm going all the way around. So let's put these together. How you do that is up to you. Some of you, once again, may see some multiplication here. I'm just going to think of it in terms of adding. I have 4x plus 2. I'm going to add on another 4x plus 2. And then I'm going to add on another 2x minus 5. So I have those three binomials. I'm going to add them together, and I'm going to do that by combining like terms. So I'm going to take all of my x's and add those together. 4x plus 4x plus 2x. So I have I have 10x. Now I'm going to get all my constants, plus 2, minus 5. Remember, the sign goes with the number. So plus 2, that's 4. So I'm at 4. But then I have minus 5. 4 minus 5 is negative 1. So there's my perimeter. Now, once again, some of you could have treated this like 2 times 4x plus 2. You're going to get to the same place. You're going to end up with 10x minus 1 for our perimeter. Let's go one more in this quick. Here we have a rectangle, something a little different here just in terms of the tick marks. So what you can see is these two have 1, so those are the same. But this side has 2. This side has 2. So they're not 5x minus 3, but these two sides with 2 tick marks are the same. So this side would be 2x. Now if I wanted the perimeter, maybe we'll do this a different way. I'll do this with multiplication. So if I want the perimeter, I have 5x minus 3. I have that 2 times. Plus, I have the 2x 2 times. So that's going to take me all the way around. So just show you, I have 5x minus 3 2 times, and I have 2x 2 times. So let's distribute. Going to multiply this through, and that's going to give me now a perimeter. That is 10x. Going to multiply through here. Remember, the sign is negative. That's negative 6. Plus, I'm going to go over here, 2 times 2x. 2 times 2 is 4x. Combine like terms. So I'm going one more time. I'm just going to scroll this up. One more time to combine my like terms, my perimeter. I have a 10x and a plus 4x, so that is 14x. And then this is all by itself, the minus. And we're done.